Never in the history of network marketing has a company been able to harness the full power of the internet to build a truly world network marketing organization. Until now. Welcome to World Pre-Launch. Some of the world's top network marketing leaders have come together to develop a unique system that will allow you to build a global network marketing team. A team that will reach around the world. Once your team is built, the person who introduced you to World Pre-Launch will share with you the full opportunity, creating an income for you from the start. We have turned the process of building a network marketing organization into an art form by using the power of the internet. We are introducing this unique system into 100 countries to create the largest single network in the MLM industry. You have the opportunity now, today, to take a free position in our global network. Once you have joined World Pre-Launch, you will be given a free website just like this one. The secret to your global success: share your free website with family and friends, business colleagues around the world, and use global social networking sites to expand your team. The more people you personally introduce to World Pre-Launch, the larger your income potential will be. Everyone who registers from your website will be offered their own free World Pre-Launch website so that they in turn can build their own team. Our unique system will allow you to see the number of people in your team and your potential global income every day. See your potential income rise daily. See your team build daily. This is a world first. It has never been done before. And you are in at the start. Use our system to build yourself a global team. Spread the word. Share your website with as many people as you can around the world. Register today for free and see the power of this unique system. A global income in the palm of your hand. World Pre-Launch.